Hi friends, welcome back. Now the strawberry season is on and we are finding such lovely juicy ripe strawberries in the market. We can make lovely desserts out of them. What I do is when they are in season, I make strawberry compote and store it in the freezer for later use. So whenever you want, you can take out the little bit of compote, add it to your smoothies or garnish your desserts with it. And it's very easy to make in a jiffy. It takes hardly 2-3 minutes to make, and you can store it easily and use it whenever you need. So let's go and make the strawberry compote. To make strawberry compote, take about 200 grams of strawberries, wash them well and wipe them lightly with a cloth because the surface is rough and you might find dust particles. See, you can see the dirt has come out on the napkin. So it's very important to clean them first. Now cut them into pieces. Now they are ready to be blended. Puree them, but to a coarse texture. Don't make it very fine like juice. Now take a saucepan, thick bottomed saucepan, and transfer the puree. Now we are going to cook it, dry the water and add sugar to make the compote. Keep stirring continuously. It takes about just 2 minutes. Do this on the medium flame, don't increase the flame too high. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. For 100 grams of strawberries, 1 tablespoon is sufficient usually, unless the strawberries are very sour. Now continue to stir until the sugar is melted. You will see the color gets little darker after adding the sugar. Cook it on medium flame, continuously stirring it for about 2 minutes. You can see after 2 minutes it has become thicker and the color also has become nice red. This compote is really handy when you make and keep it in the freezer. When the strawberries are in season, you can make it and store in the freezer to add it to your desserts and smoothies. Now you can check for the sugar. I think it should be sufficient. Unless the strawberries are sour, then you can add little more if you want. It's done. The consistency also is perfect now. Now we'll allow it to cool. Once it is cooled, you can put it in a jar or a plastic container. Transfer it into a nice, dry, sterilized, airtight container. You can even freeze it in Ziploc bags to save the space in the freezer. You can make so many things with this compote. That was so easy, isn't it? It was made in a jiffy. Delicious strawberry compote is ready for your desserts. Friends, thank you for watching the video. Do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. You may also like to watch these videos. Check them out.